In this video, I will tell you how Java works internally. To understand the internal working of Java, let's look back why Java came into existence and what problem it solved. Let's say John had created a program which was compiled to machine level code, and now he wanted to send this machine code to Julie so that she can directly run the code. Now John had a Windows PC and Julie has a Mac. When Julie tried to run the code sent by John, the code failed to run. The problem is known as platform dependency problem, which means the code is platform dependent. When a code is written in Windows, it cannot be run on other platforms such as Mac or Linux. Both C and C++ were the victim to this problem. This prevented the developers to share their product with other people. In 1995, Java came into existence to solve this very problem. Now let's see how Java managed to solve this problem. As we saw, the problem lies in the machine code, as it is platform dependent. Machine code generated on one platform cannot be executed on another platform. All the languages before Java directly produce machine code after compilation, and thus the software made during that time are platform dependent. To solve this problem, Java, instead of creating machine code directly, it produced an intermediate code known as the bytecode, which is same for all the platform. But we all know that system can execute only machine level code, and for this reason Java introduced a special software known as JVM or Java Virtual Machine for each platform separately, which is responsible for converting the bytecode to the native machine code. Therefore, in case of Java, instead of sharing the machine code, John shared the bytecode to Julie, and the JVM present in Julie's Mac will convert the bytecode to native machine code, that is a machine code which is understood by the Mac OS. In this way, Java program can be written on any platform and can be run on other platforms. For this reason, Java is also known as platform independent language. Finally, let's see the internal working of Java. When you write a Java program, the file is saved with a .java extension. This file is passed to the compiler. The name of the Java compiler is javac. The compiler compiles the file and create another file of the same name but with a .class extension. This .class file is the bytecode produced by the Java compiler. The bytecode or the compiled file is then passed to the JVM or the Java interpreter. The name of the Java interpreter is Java. Java interpreter interprets this file to machine code and execute it. Let's see all these steps in action. Alright, to demonstrate the step, I will be using our previously written program. As you saw, all the Java program that we write are saved using a .java extension. This program is also saved by Intellij as the name main.java. So now our task is to compile this program. So as you know, the name of the Java compiler is javac, and the javac is present within the JDK. So first, it's our primary task to locate the JDK. So let's go to the terminal. The current location of the terminal is set to our project directory. So first of all, we need to set the terminal location to locate our JDK. So let's go to C drive and see, I have already set my current location to our JDK. So my JDK is present in C:user, my name, JDK, open JDK 15 and then bin. So let's see whether we have access to Java compiler or not. So just press javac, press enter and see, it's working. So we have access to javac or the Java compiler. So now we have to compile this file. We know that javac is present within this directory, but obviously main.java is not present over here. So you have to write javac, and to compile this file you have to give the full path of this file. So I have already written this full path of this file, so I will just copy it and I will paste it. Then I will enclose this within double quotation. Now I will specify the file name. So Java course /main.java. As soon as I press enter, it is compiled. So if there will be any error, then the error will be shown over here. If there is no error, then it will show nothing, and this means that it is successfully compiled. Now, as I have shown you in the video, that after compilation, a file with the same name is generated but have a .class extension. So where is that file? So here you can see the main.java is present over here, and if you now refresh it, you can see another file, main.class. This is the bytecode. This is the bytecode that is platform independent. Now, if you drag it over here to see the bytecode, it will be automatically decompiled by Intellij. So you cannot see the bytecode. But here it is written bytecode version. So this file is the bytecode. Now, I will show you the actual bytecode later in this section. But for now, let me just close it and I will complete the execution step. So what now we have to do is that we have to use the Java interpreter to execute our compiled file. So now this is our compiled file, and the Java interpreter is also present in our JDK, and the name of our Java interpreter is Java itself. So we have to write Java, and then we have to specify the full path to this file. So again, obviously I will just paste it, and I will remove this one because there is a separate technique that I will show you. I will give up to source, and this is the package name. So I will give a space and we'll write com.javacodes.main. Please do not specify the .class. It is not required. Now, before executing this command work with the flag. You have to mention dash class path, and after that you have to specify this path. Alright, so here we are ready to go. Let's press enter and see hello world is printed. Our program got executed successfully. These all steps are done automatically or in the background by Intellij. When we press the run button, these all steps occur, but it happens behind the scenes and we just get the output. Now let me show you another thing, that if I delete this file, let me just delete it. So I have deleted this file. Now if you press run, let it execute. Yep, it is executed. But if you see, if I refreshes this, there is no main.class. So is the main.class file not created? Absolutely not. The answer is the main.file is created, but Intellij has a separate location for this file. The class files are located in out, production, untitled 104, com, java codes, and then main. This is the class file, that is main.class. Again, it is decompiled by Intellij. So this time I will show you the bytecode representation of this file. So select this file and go to view and click on show bytecode, and see, this is the bytecode representation of this file. Pretty awesome, right? So this is it for this video, and in the next video we will be learning about data types and variables in Java. So if you like this video, press the like button and do subscribe the channel. Comment if you have any problem, and obviously press the bell icon for further video notification. Thanks for watching.